Cleaning your facepiece. Stay safe. Stay compliant. Is it required to clean your respirator after each use? Yes. According to OSHA guidelines, respirators must be cleaned and disinfected regularly, ideally after each use, to prevent contamination and ensure proper function. Daily cleaning. Quick wipe down. Use cleaning wipes to remove perspiration, body oils, and dirt from the facepiece. Pay special attention to folds, creases, and the entire interior surface. This helps maintain hygiene between scheduled deep cleanings. Scheduled deep cleaning steps. 1. Disassemble the respirator. Remove cartridges or filters, do not submerge them. Detach the backpack adapter if used. Take off the headband assembly, inhalation connectors, exhalation valve seat and guard. 2. Prepare a cleaning solution. Mix 90% warm water with 10% bleach, no more than 10%. Bleach is corrosive. The goal is to kill bacteria and germs, not damage the equipment. 3. Clean thoroughly. Gently scrub the facepiece and components using a soft brush. Let them soak in the solution for 5 to 6 minutes. Important, never submerge filters or cartridges, they must remain dry and separate. 4. Rinse completely. Use clean, warm water to rinse all parts. Ensure no bleach residue remains. 5. Dry. Allow all components to air dry completely in a clean area. 6. Reassemble. Follow the inspection checklist before reassembling the facepiece. Why it matters. Prevents the spread of disease. Extends the life of your respirator. Ensures a proper, safe seal every time.